All right, this is your Monday real life stock review. Simply put, let's dive in. Hey traders from around the world, what is going on? It's your boy Jeremy. I like to introduce them with reallifetrading.com, and this is your Monday stock review. Let's go look at the broader markets. Got a gorgeous candle closing out there today, closing above all this resistance. I just don't see why we don't keep going higher. I know it sounds crazy. I know I'm the perma bull, and one of the few perma bulls out there, but it looks strong, team. Look at these moving averages. I mean, break out of a pennant, close above resistance, pull back by the dip again. Nice double bottom right here, hammer candle, closed above the hammer, retest it. I don't know, looks solid. Anyway, good stuff. The Qs, power trend, power. Just wow, unbelievable how strong we are. IWM, 4 days in a row, nothing going on. Waiting for some type of movement to happen there. I don't know if anything will, but we will see. I'm keeping an eye on the cruise lines. We talked about the big breakout here. We mentioned it was going to retest, and now I'm watching every single day to see when we close above these bear candles. And if we do that, I will add some positions on Norwegian. I do expect most likely for us to trade down into here, 13-ish, and then maybe pop, right? The trend is still extremely bearish, right? Under no circumstances is it bullish. I'm just playing it as a maybe it'll bounce, right? Speculative trade, have risk on the table, but it's not a lot. We'll see what happens on Norwegian and figure it out from there. Here is Beyond Meat. I'm watching Beyond Meat coiling McCoylton. If it breaks down tomorrow or sometime this week, I'll be really quick on a bear trade. Maybe it'll just be a day trade. Also would love to see it break higher. Might get into a swing trade potentially over earnings. Maybe just buy 5 shares. If you're a vegetarian or a vegan and you love Beyond Meat patties because they are delicious, maybe just buy a small size, see if it gaps up on earnings and you make a little bit of money, enough to pay for your lunch. Or if it gaps down, you can buy maybe 5 or 10 more, hold through, and then eventually I think Beyond Meat will go a little bit higher. But right now we are definitely waiting it out. Cloudera, CLDR. I like the candle coming in today. I do have a 1350 covered call expiring not this Friday but next Friday. Most of the premium has already come off of that, and I can always buy it back if I need to for a profit right now. But just letting it chill out, do its thing, and then hopefully build some pressure as it's working on this ginormous double bottom on a weekly and monthly chart. Obviously things take time, so just letting it congest and do its thing. A lot of traders still making money on net, which is Cloudflare. Gorgeous trend, gorgeous chart, good fundamentals. Scott McKay and my boy Edward Lynn have a 55 covered call for August. Love this chart, love this trend, love the company. Well done, thumbs up, let it ride. I'm a fan. AYX, also a fan of AYX, and this one is up nice. Here's the weekly chart. Weekly chart looks good. Moving averages doing their thing, pulling back to all-time resistance. So you got the retest last week, and you got the great gap today. We'll see if the great gap speed continues higher overall on Altrix. I like this one. Looks really pretty. Okay. Other than that, the day trading room and pretty much just RLT in general did serendipitously smashing today. Check these out. Snapchat played for a win. Pinterest, we played for a win. KL, we played for a win. And Twitter, we played for a win. 4 trades, 3 different people, 4 totally different sectors, 4 totally different stocks. Well, I guess maybe Snapchat and Pinterest and Twitter all kind of in the same league. But anyway, from the weekly options newsletter last week, we set up a trade on Pinterest to get in bullish. I mean, how could you not? Look at the weekly chart. Look at the breakout. Look at this old resistance, new support, and just pulled it right back. Just pulled right back in old resistance, new support. I do have shares of Pinterest. I am bullish on Pinterest. I do have a 34 August covered call. If I get called way up there, I will be profitable. And if not, I'll do it again. So PINS looks good. Chart looks good. Trend looks good. We'll see if anything cool happens on Pinterest. But overall, a little bit bullish on that one. And then, of course, Tesla with earnings this week. I mean, wow. This is gorgeous. A lot of people are asking me how they would play or how I would play Tesla over earnings. So here are my thoughts. I wouldn't be bearish, that's for sure. I would look at buying a $2,000 out of the money August call option, which will be expensive. And then I would potentially buy the 1,000 put and then sell the 600 put against it, creating a bear put spread. So the bear put spread is if Tesla gaps down magically on earnings, it'll still get bought up, but you'd make a little bit of money on the bear put spread. And then of course, selling options far, far, far away on Tesla seems to be a no-brainer decision, at least in my particular opinion right now. But the trend looks good, chart looks good, candles look good, close look good, volume looks good. I mean, Tesla could shock and surprise on earnings. I don't know what's going to happen. I truly never know any idea without a shadow of a doubt what's going to happen on earnings. I would assume we either gap down and continue higher, or we gap up into 2000 and just, I have no idea. No clue. Just keep going higher, I guess. Why not? Tesla looks amazing. So don't be bearish. And then Alibaba, BABA, really looking clean right here to continue higher. Here's the weekly chart. So letting this thing kind of build some pressure, but you do have an official breakout on BABA. Weekly chart, gap out, breakout, phenomenal, phenomenal candle. Really, really good look. Be bullish on BABA. Long is strong on this one. Buy leaps, be in shares, do put sales. As long as you're bullish, that's the correct direction on Alibaba. All right, team. Well, that about sums it up for me. I'll be back for your Wednesday stock review. If you have any stocks you want me to look at for free in the next stock review, just post them in the comment section below. Thanks so much. You guys rock. Bye. You got it. That was your Monday stock review. Thank you for watching. You are incredible. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.